I'm Brett with J&G Transmissions, and I just want everyone to know we're an equal opportunity employer. We employ all walks of life from any planet or any galaxy. And I mean any planet. Hey, how's that transmission coming? Let's go back and introduce you to some of the guys. This is Ben over here.
Hey, how y'all doing out there?
This is James, the owner.
Hey, how we doing?
This is Leroy, Hall of Fame softball player.
Hi.
This is Lupe. Mario, where's Mario? This is Mario.
Are you trying to look at my nose?
We have Jason over here. Say hi, Jason. This is Ernesto. Say hello, Ernesto.
And that's our crew.
In the spirit of May the 4th, we will be offering free overhauls on all interstellar hyperdrives. We will also be offering free recalibration of all intergalactic caliper units. Free towing does not apply in this situation. As usual, customer satisfaction is guaranteed. May the 4th be with you.